Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Stefan, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button if you found any kind of value. Make sure to smash the subscribe button too, like because we're doing a daily uploads like this every single day or on a daily basis, and smash that all like bell notifications so you don't miss any videos. Daily 10 videos per day. We're killing it, bros. So yeah. And if you want to earn some free money, go to the links in the description after watching this video because this video will not be that long, and yeah, let's just keep on moving. And for example, like 3 to 4 minutes maximum. Okay, so yeah. Right now, we have Tezos right here with the USDT or the Tether token, the stable coin. Tezos right now is sitting a price of around $3.8. Today we are up 20 cents or approximately $5.21. I'm pretty happy about it. But as you can see, bro, in the past like 4 days and with following with today, we see that we were pushing to the upside. On 3rd of May, we were up 2%, then 9, 1%, and today again 5%. I think that this will be the point we will start pushing to the downside. Delete that. I'll keep this, like, as you can see, if you go to the lower time frame, I have these charts going on right here. Those are the head and shoulders pattern, the inverted head and shoulders pattern. But yeah, as you can see, it occurred, and I guess that we touch these levels right now. These levels we'll be starting pushing to the downside, and let's just go to the lower time frames. It's easier for me. I think that something like this will be happening before we start pushing to the upside and reach that $5 level. Also, on the higher time frames, I think that we can draw a line right there. I think that tomorrow we'll be having a bearish day because we need to break the streak because Tezos is going insane. And yeah, guys, this is basically for today's video. I said this will not be that long. Let me know what are your thoughts about it. Pretty simple, pretty beginner friendly, and I'm just giving you my opinion about it. So yeah, if you want to support my channel, just smash that like button. It helps me out a lot. And again, if you want to earn some free money, go into links in the description. And yeah, peace out.